This is the place where Sanya took her bath and went back to the heaven. That's why people call this place 천재영, which means pond of the heaven. This is in walking distance from the base camp, the place I'm staying right now. It's a good thing that you can get somewhere without taking a car. Taking a car for a long time is tiring. The reason I like Jungmun is that there are so many places to go without taking a car. That's why this area is named Jungmun Tourist Complex. In Jeju Island, it is very hard to see water stream, but you can see plenty of water here. There's a beautifully made wooden deck trail like this. I love walking on the wooden deck trail, looking at green trees. So, what does Cheonjeon look like? We ever wondered? Now, your curiosity is being answered. It looks like this. The trail is shaded, thus you can walk presently. From now on, let's just walk without saying, feeling this nature. Let me take a rest here, gazing at the forest without thinking. Is this scenery healing you? I hope so. I want you to enjoy this view. How do you find this place? I found it very holy and beautiful. If you happen to come visit here, would you remember me? I'm Chris, the interpreter of English. That makes you speak.